How to download Metro 2055 game on your Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're trying to download the Metro 2055 on your phone, then here's how you do it. Launch open your Google Play Store or your App Store, depending upon your device's type, and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now go to the search icon and write down Metro 2055 in the search bar. Look for the application from DV Survival Games and click on Install or Get. If you are using iOS, then the game is not available yet for iOS App Store. You can only download the app on your Google Play Store for now. After waiting for a couple of minutes, the game will be downloaded and you'll be able to play it right away. So basically, the Metro 2055 is a survival game. So expect grinding gameplay, crafting plus survival mechanics, and in-app purchases inside it. So that's how you download and get started with Metro 2055 on your Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.